Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for homemade paella. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we spray some low-calorie cooking oil into a wok or a heavy base saucepan, put it onto a medium heat, and to that we're going to add some chicken, some chopped chorizo, some onions, some crushed garlic, some parsley stalks, some grated carrot, and we're going to give that a stir fry and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now, as always folks, the recipe is in the description box below. Now to our stir fried chicken mix, we're going to add some diced peppers, some paprika, some cayenne pepper, some turmeric, and we'll give that another stir fry for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add our Arborio rice. We'll just give that a mix round. Now folks, if you're enjoying my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. So now that our rice has taken on the flavour of the spices, we're going to add in a stock cube. Then we're going to cover that with some boiling water. Just give that a stir round. Get it all incorporated and let that cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Then to our rice mixture, we're going to add some raw prawns. If you want to add cooked prawns, just add them later on with the peas. Give that a stir round, let that cook for another 5 or 6 minutes. Now that our rice has taken on its flavour, we're just going to add some peas, some seasoning with some salt and some pepper. Give that a stir round and we'll cook that for another 5 minutes just until the rice is cooked. Now once the rice is cooked, we're going to add the zest of a lemon. Give that a final stir round just before we serve it. Now as you can see, our rice is cooked, it's not chalky, it's just nice and soft, so it's ready to serve. Now I just like to serve my paella in a bowl, covered with some chopped parsley and a couple of wedges of lemon. Now again folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.